In this video, I'm going to show you how I decorate a small table for Valentines. If you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. And if so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. And you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled The Tablescape Sunday Valentine's Day 2020. What I like about this challenge is each Sunday that they hosted, it is a different host. So at this particular challenge, the host is Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living. And her co-hosts are Cynthia, She's So Blessed, Geraldine from Diva Decorating, and Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Alberta at Mysterious Alberta. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, excuse me, I will include the link to their channels and the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. Now, they had simple rules for this challenge. They wanted you to decorate your Sunday table for Valentine's, but the catch was your colors could only be red and white or pink and white. You couldn't do pink and red. You couldn't do any other color. It had to be red and white only or pink and white only. They also had a hashtag, and I'll have it going across the screen. Hashtag Tablescape Sunday Valentine's 2020. They also asked that you be a subscriber to their channels, mention their channels in your video. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here, I couldn't make up my mind of what napkin to use for each tablescape. So there are two different table settings, or napkin settings. Here you see I use the white placemat from Bed Bath & Beyond. I use the DIY pink charger, the white plate from Dollar Tree, the DIY pink saucer, it's a Dollar Tree plate, and then a thrifted find as the small centerpiece. Now for this setting, I use the bedazzled heart napkin ring on a pink napkin, and I use the clear stemware. Now as for my centerpiece, I used the pink placemat from the Target Dollar Spot a few years back, white tea light holders, the DIY vase, and the flower arrangement I did with pink and white flowers from the Dollar Tree, and you know that heart was from the Dollar Tree as well. Now to give you another look of the first napkin setting, I'm going to call it. Now here's the second one. It's the same thing, the placemat, the charger, the plate, but I folded the napkin a different way, and I hooked it under the bottom of the charger and put it under the saucer on the plate. So why don't you tell me which one you like the best, the one with the bling or the one that's folded? Let me know down below what you think of this tablescape. Now I want to do it very basic and keep it to the point of my color scheme, which you can tell is pink. I chose a fuchsia pink to do my tablescape, and then with little pops of lighter shades of pink. I really like how it turned out because these napkin rings, they are a double napkin ring, double-hearted napkin ring, excuse me, tongue-tied here. And I really like the way that it makes the napkin look and how everything stands out with this fuchsia pink. I really had fun with coming up with this concept for this tablescape. Here's another overview of my table. And I hope you're pleased with my color choice. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.